Hey there, today we're fixing a WordPress database. Let's check it out. Hey there, this is Tom with Tom's Tech Show, and it's been a little bit since I've made a video, but things going on behind the scenes, a little bit busy, but getting back into it now. So um, wanted to work on one of my WordPress sites, and I brought it down, have a little development machine that's a VM that I work on to do my WordPress sites. So um, I brought it down, and of course, when I look at it, here a lot of the images are broken because I blocked it from this box from the internet because I don't want to be updating anything accidentally, having a link that jumps to the actual live site and breaking everything. So I've blocked that, but some of the images are not showing up. So I need to go through the easiest way and quickest way to fix this is to go through the database. So typically these values are stored in a location here called WP posts, and that we can just put this query right in here. So my database actually is TNP. If you have multiple sites on the same database, you can change that prefix and host multiple sites in the same database. So this one is TNP for Thomas Nelson Photography, and I'm going to set the post content and replace everything that says Thomas Nelson Photography with localhost, because that's where my site is moving as I'm doing development, and I've blocked all access to the regular site. So just need to put that in there. Hit go. It comes up, tells me there's 16 rows affected. Okay, now that I've submitted that command, I should be able to come here to this site, hit refresh, and boom, now my images are showing up, and I know that they're coming from the local location and not from, my website out on the internet. So if I change any of these or mess any of these up, it'll be fine. I'm not going to be breaking anything at all. Also, my media library, which was broken, should also come up and have all my thumbnails come up now. So boom, there's all my thumbnails that I was looking for. So pretty easy fix. If you find some other values inside your site that are pointed to the wrong direction, you can use that same kind of command to then move where these images are and change that URL. It's simply this command from MySQL, which is replace. So replace inside this string anything that is this value with the new value. Makes it pretty easy to do, and now I can go off and I can start editing and see now all this here says localhost WordPress instead of my regular site out on the internet. I'm not going to break anything. Very important to not break that site out there for people. So yeah, so this site should come up. All the images should just come up and be viewable. So let's see, even the carousel is even working, so that's good. So I can do all this development here locally and be able to do that pretty darn easy. So what else do I have in here? Something else here. This my bee shot. That was at Disneyland. There's some flowers at Disneyland that this bee was up inside and it came out and flew around. I'm like, oh, that's cute. So, and different things of photos. So I can work on this site now. I can get it done, get it working and going on just by running those simple commands. Fixes it all up. There we go. And then when I move everything back, if I'm going to move the database back, right, once I get this done and move the database back, then I connect to my website in the actual live website, and I'll have to run those commands to move the images back the other direction. All right, so pretty easy thing to do. Okay, all right, well, there we go. That's kind of fixing your WordPress website really quickly when you've moved it, and keeps everything going. So you can do your editing, and it's always good to have your beta site kind of that you're just kind of working on offline so that you're not accidentally hitting something. That's why I do it in a virtual machine with the network kind of off, so that I don't muck anything up on the live site. Until I'm ready to push everything up, then I do that. All right, well, thanks for watching this. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks.